So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change location name on Life360. To change a saved location name on Life360, you will first need to go to your app. So let's open this. Remove that drop down or pop up in this case, and from that point you can go the places icon and select that specific place that you've created. So if you tab the places icon, which is located below the app, or rather below the map, you can just start scrolling on here so you can see the globe. And underneath that, you can just scroll down through different categories, starting off with people, then pets, then you can see items, as well as places. Now on here, if you've added some place to it, you can choose to change the name of that location. So you can add stuff like your specific gym, home, school, work, a grocery store, or a new place. So you can select that specific place you want to change, and you can adjust the details of that place and enter the new name you wanted to be changed to. So you can change the location or even the radius of that location if you really want to, and just make sure that all the changes you've made are saved so you don't have to change it each and every time you enter the app. So just click on save before you exit the editing window. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.